Yeah, if you have ever been wondering how some influencers can shoot some really nice images or videos from above, then maybe I have the perfect solution for you. Of course, you can do some crazy constructions from the ceiling, but not everybody wants to drill into a really nice, beautiful ceiling. So there's actually a much better solution. And so I think one of the best options we have here, and that's the one which I'm going to show you today. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. By the way, of course, I have to admit that I got this device for free to show you all the nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. And so here we can see all the parts, so it doesn't come pre-assembled, but the installation is very easy. Also because of these really nice instructions here, just one page with a lot of pictures. And what you can already feel here is that it's a very solid construction, really super strong, heavy metal, especially here at the base, and we actually just have to unfold it. And so here we have the base, and the base comes with these soft rubber feet or actually felt pads. Really great idea, nice protection for the desk. And then of course the telescope center. Here at the bottom we have to fully remove this screw, and now we need also this part here. Very important to know that this goes on top of the base and not underneath. Like that, it's even easier to mount. What's really important is that we have actually two screws. We have one with a short thread, we have one with a longer thread. And so now we need actually the one with the longer thread. And so we go from underneath here through the base and then also through this part here. And then we put the pole on top and just screw it back here. You can also help a little bit from underneath. Nicely adjust or arrange everything here. Can also secure a little bit more from here, so it's really sitting stable here on top. Of course, the set comes also with a phone holder in decent size, really nicely extendable. It comes with two standard 1/4-inch tripod mounts here, but usually you will mount it here in the center. Just put it here on top, rotate it, make sure that it's fully secured because this will hold your phone. You can also secure the top here from the side, so you can give it a nice twist to fully secure it. And so actually to use it, we turn it around. We place the phone now here on top. That's even a really large one. And you can see fits nicely here. Of course, like that, it wouldn't make any sense to use because it's just recording straight down. And so that's why we have an additional nut here which can untighten. So we can lean the center pole here a little bit back, secure it again, and then extend the pole here with this clamp. Very easy to release, very easy to secure. And now we can use this screw to untighten, make it fully level, tighten it again, and so like that we are fully ready to start recording. I can put it here, and so based on the zoom level there's nothing else to see than just white space here. Don't have to be worried. So I'm holding this instruction here, recording even live, so you can see that here how this is working, and I still have enough space here, can see everything directly. This is not interfering with my view. Maybe a little bit easier to see from the side, and the camera is high enough so it's not interfering with whatever I'm doing here. I have full access to everything. It really doesn't bother what's up here. So absolutely amazing, really nice construction, solid enough, stable, easy to set up. Also works for other stuff, for example mini projectors or so, and after usage also very easy to fold back, removing the phone, fold everything together easily in a small space. So I think a really interesting solution. Of course, it doesn't fold perfectly at the very end. This is about what you can do, or at least this is what I've been able to achieve. Maybe there are better solutions regarding storing, unfolding, but I mean currently it's listed for only $30, so we cannot really complain about that. I think everything is really nicely made, decent quality, maybe doesn't last for 10 years, Also, the bracket could be maybe a little bit larger. I mean, it works, but I would like a little bit larger one, but it's using standard 1/4-inch tripod mount, so you can use any bracket which you maybe have already. Rest definitely makes a good, solid impression. I'm definitely keeping this on the side, so whenever I need to record something close from above, then I'm definitely going to use that. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this overhead tripod, which also works for other stuff, for example, mini projectors or so, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.